Let's be completely honest. Traditional 3D character animation can be an absolute nightmare. We've all been there. You spend hours manually tweaking a single leap, adjusting the graph curves frame by frame, trying to make it look like your character actually has weight. You hit play, and it still looks floaty, or robotic, or completely lacks impact. For decades, the animation pipeline hasn't fundamentally changed. We've just been forced to get faster at doing tedious, repetitive manual labor. But what if you could outsource the boring math of gravity, weight distribution, and momentum directly to a specialized program, leaving you completely free to focus purely on the art and the acting? Welcome to Cascadeur. This isn't just another animation tool. This is a physics-assisted revolution that collapses days of keyframe grinding into minutes of creative flow. Today, we're breaking down why Cascadeur is a definitive game changer, the incredible features that will save your wrists and your deadlines. Let's start with where every great animation begins: the pose. In standard rigging, setting up a complex stance means adjusting dozens of individual controllers. If you move a hand, you have to manually adjust the elbow, the clavicle, the torso, and balance the hips. Cascadeur completely reimagines this with its auto-posing tool. By manipulating just a few primary control points, Cascadeur automatically infers what the rest of the body should look like. It dynamically positions fingers, sets natural shoulder rotations, and aligns the spine based on human anatomy. You aren't fighting your rig anymore, you're directing it. Imagine setting up your primary storytelling poses in a fraction of the time it usually takes. That isn't just a minor speed boost, that is a massive accumulation of saved hours across an entire production timeline. But here is where Cascadeur completely leaves traditional software in the dust: auto-physics. Take a close look at the software's interface. When you block out an action sequence, Cascadeur generates a green ghost model alongside your character. This green ghost represents physical perfection. It calculates the exact center of mass, torque, angular momentum, and ballistic trajectories required to make that motion possible in the real world. If your character jumps, Cascadeur knows exactly how high they would go based on their takeoff speed. You don't have to guess how a body weight shifts anymore. You block out your creative vision, let the physics engine optimize the trajectory, and snap it into reality with a single click. Floaty, unconvincing animations are instantly eliminated. This feature alone turns novice animators into professionals and saves veteran animators thousands of lines of curve adjustments. The time savings don't stop at the main keyframes. Cascadeur features state-of-the-art in-betweening. Instead of traditional, linear, math-based interpolations that look robotic, Cascadeur looks at your poses and predicts a physically plausible transition path. It builds the anticipation, the arc, and the follow-through for you automatically. There is a new root motion tool in Cascadeur 2026.1. This is one of the most exciting features because it can help generate motion based on your character's trajectory. Instead of manually fighting every step, turn, or movement direction, Cascadeur gives you a smarter starting point that you can build on. And that is what makes Cascadeur so powerful. It does not replace the animator. It supports the animator. And for those working with motion capture data, you know how painful cleanup is. Cascadeur's animation unbaking workflow changes everything. It strips down baked mocap data into clean, manageable keyframes, while maintaining the integrity of the original human physics. You can modify, exaggerate, or completely reshape a mocap sequence in minutes without breaking the underlying realism. The software fits beautifully into modern workflows, sporting native compatibility across standard formats like FBX, DAE, and USD. Best of all, with their latest updates, features like Unreal Engine Live Link, meaning you can drop the tedious exporting steps entirely. You see your animations perform live inside your actual game environment as you create them. If you are a Blender user, there is also a Cascadeur to Blender Bridge add-on. Combined with quadruped rigging support, that means animals, creatures, and non-human characters are becoming easier to pose and animate with more natural results. It's basically a cheat code. It's a powerhouse designed specifically to keep your creative momentum alive. While the free version is fantastic for learning the basics, the Cascadeur Pro plan is where the real magic happens. When you jump to Pro, you unlock everything in the Indie Plus. Commercial use is unlimited, dedicated chat support, animation retargeting, interaction with environment in autophysics, scene linking tool, auto-posing for quadrupeds, paid iOS mobile features. Every yearly Pro and yearly Indie license is automatically converted into a perpetual license after the minimum term of 1 year. This means that even if you cancel your subscription after the first year, you can continue to use the last version released during your subscription period, to the full extent and without time restrictions. Still, it's worth keeping your subscription. An active subscription to Pro and Indie plans is a prerequisite for receiving further version updates and personal customer support from Cascadeur. There are a lot of amazing features in Cascadeur, and I will be making detailed videos and tutorials on each of its tools. With Cascadeur, you're buying back your time and eliminating the friction between the ideas in your head and the final render on your screen. Don't let tedious keyframing slow down your career. So if you are thinking of getting Cascadeur, make sure to use the coupon code in the description below to get 15% off on any plan. I will always keep the description updated with new and working coupon codes. Grab Cascadeur Pro and unlock your true creative potential today. That's been it. Let me know what you think about Cascadeur in the comments section below. What feature are you most excited to try out? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more animation deep dives. Until then, I will see you in the next one.